gross. This is my sliding glass door. We just bought this new place and the sliding glass door, I've been procrastinating about cleaning it because I know what a pain that is. We are on the second floor and we have sliding glass doors wall to wall, which I love about this place, but I do not have any access to a water hose. I don't have any issues cleaning my house. I actually enjoy it. To me, cleaning and organizing the before and after effects gives me so much pleasure. It really relaxes me. But no hose, no problem. I bought a steam cleaner. So I'm going to be using it on this sliding glass door. I used it before on the oven, the stove, the bathroom, and now here we go. One thing I learned about steam cleaners is that they are not going to actually like clean. It's just going to help you remove the dirt. So I'm hoping this is going to loosen up this dirt that has been stuck in the tracks probably for a long time. This place was on the market for like a year and we bought it and we are super happy with it. So as you can see, I am using one of the brushes. This steam cleaner comes with many accessories and actually comes with accessories to clean floors and furniture. It's super easy to use. You just plug it in and wait until it's ready and go to town with it. It is super satisfying, weirdly satisfying. If you are into cleaning, you're gonna love this machine. If you are not into cleaning, then this is going to make cleaning easier for you. So I started using the little brush, one of the little brushes that come with, but then changed my mind and took it off, and then the hose has better reach in those like difficult to reach areas in the corners. And now I am going halfway there, and this is a very long track. It's gonna take me a while, but I don't care. I have nothing else to do. Today was a crazy hot day. I thought I was going to pass out, but I drank some water and I took breaks in between. And now I am ready to put my gloves on and use the rag and some soapy water to finish cleaning the dirt off. And now it's coming out so easily, I'm telling you. So if you don't have a hose or you don't want to deal with a hose, this is the way to do it. So get your steamer, then a couple of rags. The microfiber rags are the best. Some soapy water, and then you go from wet to dry until everything is done. And this is now in the evening and everything is dry and I just cannot get over it. I am so happy I was able to get this job done, and now on to my next project. What else can I clean with my steamer? Now let's go watch some football. Bye.